What's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams. It is Wednesday, November 12th, 1 p.m. We're in Beverly Hills installing a Sony LED wall, and I'm on 3 hours of sleep.
So strong, Chris. I'm so fucking strong.
The Peerless Mount Spacer tool. It tells you how to put the height vertically, where to put the next horizontal. That's what's in this kit. This is called the wall plates. They mount to the wall, to the extrusion. And then this part actually Z's out. Update, we got the whole mount up, but the Cat 7 connectors we got were for 23 gauge. Cat 7 cable we have is 22 gauge. We had to find some Cat 8 connectors in town. First is gonna pick this up tomorrow. We might go eat then Z or Z then eat. And we're gonna Z the brackets out today. How about the power? Power is different. The whole bottom row gets it. Well, the first 4 on the right, and then the first 4 up, first 5 up. Every column will have the top piece, but only the bottom row has this bottom piece. And the bottom piece just takes 1 countersunk and 1 bolt. It doesn't get the extra washer. Big gang gang gang, prune candy.
Prune candy.
Got the sour batch, sour punch, sour Skittles, icebreaker sours, and then habanero lime chips. Oh, Skittle down. 10-second rule. No, don't eat it. No, what'd you eat? Don't spit that out. It's literally got the shit on the floor, Kobe. Getting all these patch cables ready because there's a twist eye in every single one. And everyone's individually wrapped. So we want to yank all those apart so that way when we go to plug them all in, it's a lot quicker instead of us making that big old mess.
I just want to use your butt tonight.
I got a headache. Yeah, already took minutes and it's not going away. Yeah, see, it's threaded and then you just close it up. These are Cat 6 7s. You pull it through here, you plug it in here, then you bend it around the corner. If you try to bend it around the corner and then plug it in, you can't. Okay, everyth's wired up, dude. Walls up. Plugging in the controller in the back. Putting on the first row of modules. Day 2, we're cleaning up. We just broke down 81 boxes, sweeping up all the trash. Wall is on. Wait till you see the content on that thing. It's the craziest wall we've ever done in a long time. Oh wait, we gotta cover this thing in plastic tonight. Gotta cover this thing in plastic, come back tomorrow, put the trim kit on, do any little adjustments, and then we're done.